Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley Moore for my I'll just sit over a brick. Right, I'm back at Bramley Moore for my weekly Everton Stadium update. Little house was shot there as well. Yeah, sorry I've been away for so long. I crashed my last drone. So yeah, I've had to purchase a new drone, better drone. So yeah, it's not all bad. When I say crash, I didn't crash it doing any of these. I use my drone for light painting and take photographs, and you set it to go on a certain route so you can get a certain type of photograph with the light. I'll put an example on the screen now of what I do with my photography and the drone. And I set it wrong and it clipped a tree, come crashing down, and it smashed the camera, it smashed everything. So I've purchased a new drone, so hopefully this one's better. My last drone was 4K, everyone liked the 4K, the image that come out of it. This one's 5.1K, so hopefully this is better. So if you let me know if you notice any difference between the drone that I last used and now this one, because this is the very first video I've made with it. Okay, I've been out, I've had it about 4 days. I've been practicing with it, make sure I know how to use it before I risk it. So, and I can zoom in on this one as well, so it's all good. See, great. So, and it does an even better zoom in. At the end I'll put the 7x zoom on. I'll be this far away on a 7x zoom, but you can't do it while you're recording for some reason. You can only do a ×3 while you're recording. Then you have to switch to the 7x camera and then press record again, then it'll record in the 7x camera. So yeah, I don't know, it's something that DJI need to sort out. So I'll just zoom back out a touch. Bit windy today. It was nice earlier, but now it's gone windy, so I'm going to fly around. I'm not going to address all the comments I got in the last video because I've been up the wall with university and everything, so I'll address a couple of comments, have a look around, see what's new. I don't think there's much going on, if I'm being honest, but we'll have a fly around anyway, a little chat. So this is the south, because this is my approach from now on, the south stand, because I started the canoe club. It's a lot better, there's no traffic, there's no one in the way, you can't get questions, so let's just zoom in. Okay. So there's a bit more, you can see the brickwork under the stand there. I'm miles away from the ground, so I can come down and touch and have a look at that. So I'll zoom in under there. I'll get the 10x zoom on at the end as well. So yeah, you can see that the brickwork under there, that's different from last time, isn't it? Oh, have a look across the site. And that piece that was on the ground last time, I was asking what it was. Loads of people are guessing what it is, and I'm not getting a definitive answer, so I'm not going to address that just yet. But there's another one next to it now, so any more guesses, let me know. It's really strong, the wind. Yeah, I'll get a good look inside the ground as well with the 7x zoom. So I'll just have a zoom in on them there. Well, there's two now, so they're building something there, aren't they? And it's obviously going to go up. But where? I don't know. Have a look on there. Yeah, so I don't know. Get a bit closer inland. not moving in and just zooming in, if you like. Right, so I'm not going to risk it any further here, guys. I do apologise. I'm not going to go right round the north stands just in case it's a brand new drone, and I'm going to take it easy for now. So I'm going to come back around this way. A little bit higher. We'll have a little. Oh, the rain's coming down now, though. It's going to be a short one. So we'll have a little zoom in on the roof. See, it's coming along nicely there. Right, so I'm going to bring this back, guys. Okay, I really apologise for this, but the wind's really picking up now. So I'm not going to risk it. The clouds are looking murky. Where am I? Yeah, I'm just over there. See my car there. So yeah, and I've got to keep this line of sight as well. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna hang it in the area, and I'm gonna switch to the seventh. No, you know what? I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna enter here early, guys. I really apologise. The rain's coming down a bit harder now. Brand new drone. It's a little bit expensive. I've spent £2.5 on this one. So I'm gonna take it easy, guys, and I'll be back this week to get better footage of it for you, but at the moment I'm not going to risk it. So I do apologise. I'll speak to you all at the next one. Bye now. Hi all, just a quick one at the end here. So as you saw, I was quite far away, and this is from where I was on the 7x zoom. So this zoom is going to come in really handy for future videos. You can see right through the stand there, which is really good, and I'll be able to get high up shots and zoom into the grounds, if you like. So it'll be coming really handy, but it went south really fast, so I couldn't do much video on this. The weather really turned, as you'll see now. As I was driving away, I propped the phone up, I was driving, and the hail, the rain, the snow, the wind, it was a good job I packed away when I did, because everything would have got soaked. Then I parked up and just recorded for a little bit to show you that it wasn't stopping anytime soon. So yeah, I really apologise for the short video, but I'll say, new drone, I'm going to be out practicing a lot with it, and I'll get more footage this week of the ground and the build. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll speak to you all soon.